Yakumo.
Understood. Take this!
Look who it is. See you around.
Yakumo, the elevator up ahead should take you to the top floor. That's where the shrine is, but you'll have to get through Kagachi first.
All finished. Sending payment your way. See you later, Yakumo.
Kagachi stands in your way.
Figured he'd be there. I'll take care of him.
Thanks.
Give me a damn break.
How many of these guys are there?
End of the line.
What's wrong?
Elevator stopped.
Umi, do you think you can locate their main control room? We should be able to reactivate the elevator from there.
Leave it to me.
Theori, Saki, I just sent you the coordinates.
Got it. We'll head there right away. Hang tight, Yakumo.
I'll manage.
Made it. Reactivating the elevator now. Did it work?
Elevator's moving again.
Couldn't have done it without our expert ninja hacker, Umi.
Yeah, whatever. Just get to the shrine in one piece, all right?
You got it. See you at the shrine, Yakumo.
Sayori?
Most of this will be worth it. This is goodbye.
Sayori.
Let's get to it.
Kagachi.
Grand General of the Divine Dragon Order. He and Hayabusa are the only reason the DDO got as big as it did. They used to just be a weapons manufacturer or something. But with the numbers they got now, they've changed. In any case, if what I've heard is true, get ready for a tough fight. I feel something off about him. Almost like one of those demons. Don't you underestimate him, Yakumo.
I won't.
Nice work out there. Hope that helps. Pleasure doing business with ya. Yakumo, I can't seem to find Sayori. Her signal's down.
What's going on?
I'm not sure. I'm trying to locate her now. She can't have gone far. Just keep making your way to the final shrine for now. Kagachi's waiting.
Understood. Heading to the target.
End of the line.
Kagachi.
Do you realize what you've done? The city's a damn wreck because of you. But there's no one to blame but myself. I should have killed you the first time we met. I know Sayori's with you. I'll give you one last chance. Stop this madness. Stay away from the Dark Dragon Seal. No turning back now, runt.
Do you even realize what you're trying to accomplish?
I will purify the Dark Dragon. It's the promise I made to Sayori.
A promise? Short-sighted brat. Think of the consequences of what you're about to unleash. Are you prepared for that anguish?
I am a Raven Ninja, and I will execute my mission. I won't let you or Hayabusa stand in my way.
Really now? Then you leave me no choice! keep up now.
Oh, had us worried.
You made it. Okay. This is it. There. Just about done. Only one last step. O great dark dragon, transcendent divine, within this bosom, thy soul enshrined. Admit this offer of flesh and bone. Feast upon kin, and reclaim thy throne. This is the only way. Yakumo, break the final seal. And after that, complete the sacrifice.
Sacrifice? What?
I told you before. The soul of the Dark Dragon is inside of me. To finish the resurrection, soul and body must be reunited. As vessel of the dragon's soul, I need to die. Yakumo! Please! Yakumo.
I suppose I should introduce myself. Cower, mortal, before the Obsidian Overlord, Sovereign of the Damned, the great fiend Achilles! The very fiend that resurrected the Dark Dragon years ago. Even a mortal such as yourself has heard of me, I'm sure. Your hard work has made things so easy for me, dear Yakumo. As a gift, I shall bestow upon you an excruciating death by the hand of a god!
Misaki, you bastard!
Oh, feeling touch of Sayori, are we? If it's any consolation, reviving the Dark Dragon would be impossible without her death. I just saved you the trouble and killed her myself. You should be thanking me, really.
Enough! I'll make you shut your fucking mouth.
Beg for your life. Insignificant. Hardly a challenge.
Sayori. Yakumo. Please. The Dark Dragon. Only you can defeat him. sacrifice him. I'm so sorry. You know, I really don't want to die.
Glory. Reborn. You finally arrived, Ryu Hayabusa.
Achilles.
With his body manifested, all that remains is the offering of the Dark Dragon's soul. Yes, one final sacrifice.
Leave her be.
How delicious! The descendant of the divine dragons, slayer of countless beings. Your head shall make a fine trophy. Once I finish with you, the Dark Dragon will be unleashed upon the world and destroy all in its wake.
So that's your plot.
Isn't it poetic? The Dark Dragon heralding the end of the dragon lineage. Grovel and beg for mercy! Is that all? Insignificant. Hardly a challenge.